family trip right now. We're in Sydney, just walking through the Botanic Gardens, or Botanical, don't know which it is. I'm here for an event tonight with Revlon. It's National Lipstick Day, and we're gonna be partying it up in the harbour. But right now we're just killing time before check-in. Thank you. In you go.
You go ahead, I'll push it.
This is our room. I'm impressed.
Oh, wow.
Remember this? Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Wait a second. Looks like Mummy has a present.
What's inside?
Ooh. Oh! I think they put something in there for you. Lipsticks for International Lipstick Day. And some Hague's chocolate. Yes, you can have one. Just one chocolate freckle, okay?
Can I have one? Me first.
Can I have one too? You're welcome. He said thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
This is Lenilla. Say thank you. Getting ready, and the focus is on the lip because it's International Lipstick Day. Just gonna do some lashes and then pick my bold lip color. Cloud 9. This cute little Silver Sue product. Now I just put all my favorite Revlon makeup in this bag. Grip primer. I'm actually just gonna do some Lashify lashes so that tomorrow I can just wake up and do another lip. So one eye done. I've got a whole YouTube video on how I do this. Got my lashes there. I just put the glue on. Well, it's actually called the bondage, but then you just put that on and lay the lashes from underneath. It's so easy once you get the hang of it. Okay, they're on. Then seal it with that glass. Everything all right? The kids are fighting. Serum tint. Hi, Leo. You going for a walk? Blush. You going? You didn't give me a kiss. Aww. My contour kit. Now, really all it's missing is my outfit, my lip. So I've chosen this color. This is my favorite Revlon lip formula. It's the Revlon Super Lustrous Shine, okay? The Shine ones are so great. There's a nude one that I wear like all the time, but I've never tried this Cherries in the Snow. So I'm gonna line it with my Sienna. I think it's called Sienna. Yeah. from Revlon. Now, whenever I do a bright lip, I pretty much always go in with concealer around the edge. Sorry if you can see right up my nose. That is such a pretty color. Flawlessly applied, if I do say so myself. Now, I just want a bit of a pink glow to go with the lip. So that should be pretty. Dior. Okay, now I'm gonna go get dressed and I'm pretty much ready to go. So, burp. I'm just in a nude outfit and nude blazer because the invite said to wear nude, pink or red, like an iconic Revlon lipstick. So that's what I've gone for. Got to pack my lippy. I might actually put a black top on. Yeah, I think I'll change the top to black, but one sec. I'm just gonna mist my face with my setting spray. It's the Lock from Revlon. Bit of perfume, I forgot mine, so Seba's lending me light blue, which he says is a women's perfume anyway, but I'm not sure about that. But I guess it is kind of feminine, unisex maybe. But yeah, I'm ready to go and I'm on time, so that's good. Let me put my watch on. Just using this as my jewelry bag. I feel like the nude colors that I'm wearing kind of clash, but I literally only have 5 minutes to get down there, so I don't care right now. Plus, I think Delta Goodrum is gonna be there, so no one is gonna be looking at me. Rings. Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, hello ladies.
Has a train on.
Sí, tiene un tren.
There's a big boat over there, Daddy. There's a big boat over there.
While Chloe's at the event, Santino and Leonela and I decided to take a nice little stroll to see the Opera House and the bridge. The whole port, basically. Look at that, that's beautiful. I hope you're having fun, Chloe, because we are.
We're getting on the boat. Thank you. Cheers. Wow. Revlon went all out.
Oh my gosh, they've lit up the Luna Park face with Revlon makeup for International Lipstick Day. Whoa!
We're in lipstick land. Isn't this amazing? Hi. I ordered an omelette, I got some fruit, my soy latte. The kids have just got whatever I thought they'd actually eat. I'm in the Revlon boardroom right now, but I can't show you this table because there is a lot of top secret upcoming Revlon products that we're about to have a sneak peek to.
Thank you so much.
So much. Stay tuned for that. And now we're gonna do a tour of the office. Ooh, that's cool. All the vintage makeup. Oh my gosh, this is the stuff I love. Oh my god. Can I touch them? I'm touching it. Look at this. How cool. Oh, and then there's a little, wow.
They literally look like paintbrushes.
Aromatic stick. The original super lustrous lipstick box.
Why does it actually look so relevant?
I know.
Like Pat McGrath.
Oh my god, don't tell me I just broke something. Fuck me. No one look.
That's a $10,000.
This is the original Burgundy. I feel terrible, but I really need to touch all this stuff. I need to see what's inside. Oh, look how thin it is.
That's that microchip.
Oh. Futuristic. Oh my god, I love all the oh, there's more up here. Oh, the crackle nail polish, get out. Crackle.
Oh, I don't know that.
Oh god, yeah. Ooh, awards. Ciara did a perfume. Ooh, this one's pretty. I've lost everyone. I lost everyone. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Look at the beauty wall. Delta.
Look, a foot powder. Look,
For the bottom.
when you're at
Oh,
home.
your beauty routine?
Yeah, beauty routine.
Foot skin tonic. Wow. Luckily, I have this with my eyeliner. So now we're on our way back to Bateman's Bay. Last night I went to salsa with some of the New Zealand Bold Beauties ambassadors as well, and it was really fun. So like my voice is probably lost. They're on the plane back now, but it was so fun. And now we're gonna head back to Bateman's Bay. It takes what, 3 hours and 45 minutes it says, but with the kids it'll probably take twice as long. But I had a good time, did you?
I had a fantastic time. Thank you, Revlon.
Yeah, thank you.